Hey there! So here we are live at Citi Ocean View plot allocation, and you can see that all our clients, they are so excited because at Citi Buildings we keep to our words. We do exactly what we say, and just as we've said, we are trying. We try as much as possible to get rid of excuses. No excuses. We give you exactly what you want. So see. Look behind me, you will see that work is actually ongoing. But regardless, we are allocating their plots to them today against all odds. So you can trust us. You want any property, be it a beachfront property, total dryland, wherever it is, Eke and its environs, we got you. Citi Buildings got you. How do you feel about today's allocation?
This allocation is fantastic. It's it's a good one. And the title of the land itself is intact. It is a gazetted land,
Yes.
and that gives us the assurance that we can go to sleep.
Exactly, ma'am. Exactly. You here today at the allocation of Citi Ocean View. So I just wanted to ask, how do you feel about today's allocation?
Well, I feel happy for my clients because.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
We're so delighted to have you here today.
Thank you.
So it is Citi Ocean View Allocation Day.
Yes.
And we understand that you are one of the allottees, one of the owners of the properties here.
Yes.
How do you feel today, sir, that we are actually allocating your land?
Well, I feel so excited. I'm happy to see the beginning, the project progressing gradually. And I'm happy to see maybe in the next 6 months, 1 year, at least we might have gone far.
Definitely. We will have.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir.